Imagine making your very own volcano in the kitchen. For this fun experiment, you'll need baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, a small container, and a plate to catch the overflow. Start by placing the container on the plate and filling it halfway with baking soda. Then, mix a few drops of food coloring with vinegar in a separate cup. When you're ready, pour the colored vinegar into the container and watch the volcano erupt. The science here is fascinating. When baking soda, a base, meets vinegar, an acid, they create carbon dioxide gas, leading to that explosive reaction. Get ready for your kitchen to be both a science lab and an erupting volcano.